Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday to everyone. I'm always looking forward to Friday just like every other working man. This happens to be one of our 347s. We're going to be running about 4 or 5 347s in a row. This happens to be another one of our 347s. This is a 425 horsepower edition. Came out gorgeous as usual. This one has a full boat CVF system on here. We're running a Brawler carburetor, excuse me. This has our Ford racing valve covers on here, blue Taylor wires, and our Holly distributor. Excuse me, I'm saying MSD distributor. Full forge rotating assembly in each and every one of our engines also. If you're interested in any one of our packages, give us a call. We custom build each engine in-house to order. So call us up, pick a design. We'll be happy to help you out with it. Let us know what you want for horsepower, what kind of car. Steve's got all the answers for you. And you know what? We'll be happy to put one together for you. Hey, peace. Enjoy the weekend.
Not that. Fires right up. Beautiful oil pressure. Air fuel percent. Let's make a pull.